We're gonna make something healthy and creative. So stay tuned. We'll take this knife, shove it right down the middle. These are already washed, so you know you don't have to get crazy on me if I'm not washing them right now. We'll start with de-stemming the, I don't know if you call it de-stemming, or we're gonna take the bottoms of the Brussels sprouts. We don't need fancy language here because we all know I'd be faking it. I'm just a guy cutting some sprouts. I need to get a system going here because I'm like mixing the cut with the non-cut already. Once you got the stems off, you want to cut each one in half. Now that we got those all chopped in half, we're going to put those to the side for a second. We're going to take some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a 2. All right, I'm going to get some honey now. But we're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey now. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of minced garlic as well going in there. This is the most unique and important part of this. We got gochujang, which is a Korean pepper paste. We gotta, we're gonna dump 1 tablespoon up in there. You're gonna take about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Ooh, I love the smell of sesame oil. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, I can't wait to try this. All right, y'all, then you wanna get a sheet pan. You're gonna line it up with some foil. It ain't gotta be pretty, it's just gotta work, you know? And then take those half Brussels sprouts and just pour them on there. Take that glaze you made and just pour them over the top here. Doesn't have to do a perfect pour because we're gonna toss them all together. Gotta wash a wooden spoon real quick, hold on. All right, go ahead and make sure that those are all nice and tossed together. So get it nice. You want to make sure it's nice and lathered in that glaze. You know what, y'all? There's a better way to do this, and I'm just gonna admit that I was wrong, and I need to toss this in a bowl together before I put it onto here. So hold tight. Toss it in the bowl before you throw it on the sheet pan, like I did, like a fool. But I'm glad I caught it, because now I can toss it nice in there. Oop, we got a few spare pieces. So yeah, now we got it nice and tossed. We tossed the Brussels sprouts in this bowl here, so let's in the glaze that we made, and then we're gonna throw it. All right, let's toss this in the oven. Let's set at 400. We're gonna put it in there for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. All right, while that's cooking in the oven, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 pieces of bacon and cook them. They don't have to be perfectly flat, because what we're gonna do is once they're cooked, we're gonna crumble them up and throw them in there. But we're not gonna throw them on with the sheet pan until about 5 minutes before it's done, all right? You're gonna wanna get it nice and crispy, all right? All right, so I cooked up the bacon, and we're just gonna chop it up in here real quick before we throw it in with the sheet pan. All right, so we pulled the Brussels sprouts out just for a second, and we're gonna put the bacon over the top of it. I put the bacon, I had some leftover of the glaze, so I put the bacon in the glaze. And we're gonna throw that in there. Ooh, I love the smell of that sesame oil. Just kind of toss it around in there. Oh, there's a timer. And then we'll just throw it back in there for just a few minutes. Just 3 to 5 minutes. We'll throw it back in, let the bacon get kind of crispy in the oven. Okay, people, let's see how it went. Ooh, baby. Oh, by the way, I got my wife filming now, so that's why you got a little movement.
Wow.
Say hi to them, sweetie.
Hey, sweetie.
No, not them. Not. I'm your sweetie, but you just say hello to them.
Whoa.
I love you. Say it back. It ain't really about how it looks, though. It's about how it tastes. Here we go. Put a little bit in this bowl right here. I don't really even need a bowl, but you know, try not to be. Ooh, it's nice and tender too. Get some of the bacon. It's right out of the oven, so it's gonna be a little hot.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
I might be bringing these to Thanksgiving. This is like a great alternative veggie side. I'm not lying to y'all. This is really good.